Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We've got a 2021 Apex Ultralight 265 RBSS. Couples model, power tongue jack, pass-through storage with magnetic clips on the doors. And these are slam locks. You just drop them and they slam. Or vice versa. Power awning with LED accent lighting, outdoor speakers. Solid entry step. Got a camp kitchen with a Coachmen grill and mini fridge. Now this has the Asdel composite paneling and a heated and enclosed underbelly. Fold out couch. U-shaped dinette. Now these are the brand new colors. If you like black, it's very cool, but it's not a darkening color. It's very light and airy in here. Microwave. Dominic refrigerator. AM, FM, CD, DVD player. Flat screen TV. Got a front entry closet. And what's very nice about the 265 is they have extra large doors. They're on magnets, so you don't have to unclip anything. Just pop them open. Lots of room here in the bathroom. Lots of storage. Shower with skylight above. Go up here to the bedroom. Once again, extra large entry door for the bedroom and bathroom. USB and outlet. Walk around bed. USB and outlets on both sides. Very cool unit. Just arrived today. Once again, this is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.